How to delete all your history on REDnote app. First of all, launch REDnote application and make sure you are on the home screen of REDnote. Sign in to your account. Navigate to three-line menu icon from your home page. From this menu, choose History option and you will know all your history related to REDnote application. You can, you can easily explore or manage your history as needed. In order to delete all your history on REDnote app, long press on particular video or history, or simply tap Man and then tap on Select All at bottom left corner and tap Delete at bottom right corner. Tap Confirm button and with this, you are good to go. You will successfully delete all your history on REDnote app. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.